Tinashe nengomashe. Are you good? Man, what are you doing tomorrow? Sleeping? Right? You can't. You can't sleep. You can't sleep. It depends on the weather, you know. This weather is just messing us up. No, the carrying on is normal, boss. Normal. No resting time now anymore. So probably we'll be starting excavation. This one and want to finish 118. Then yeah. So did those guys give you the